What's up, y'all? It's been Jammin' Outdoors, and this is my channel. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about my truck and my plans for it. So this is my 2016 F250. It's got the 6.7 turbo diesel engine in it. It's been a great truck. I've had it for about 70,000 miles. It's been really reliable. So the few things that I want to do to it is I just got this camper shell a few weeks back, and I want to color match it as well as the mirrors and the grill and a few other things to the white that you see. I want to build a custom rack on the top that covers the entire camper shell because I want to put gas cans on the side of the glass, and then I also wanted to put a RTT, a rooftop tent, on the back section, probably like a Smittybilt XL model, and then I want to extend the roof rack all the way up to the front, and so I can have my 10-foot flat bottom boat on the front. And so for all my diving adventures out west and all that, I can use that boat for. But not to leave out all y'all motorcycle people, I'm going to put a motorcycle rack on the back to carry some type of dirt bike or dual sport of some sorts and explore with that thing. Now to the wheel and tire setup. I got some 20s that came off my truck when I purchased it. These wheels and tires actually came from, built from the bottom. He's a buddy from Fort Myers. That's his channel name, and he gave me these for a pretty good deal. But whenever I get around to it, I'm going to buy some like 35s, maybe some RTs like Toyo Open Country RTs, something that's not as aggressive as an MT, but also not as light as a AT. So I want something a little bit more aggressive than a AT, which are currently what I have on now. And those 20s are slightly wider. They have a wider offset, and so I'm going to get some OEM style fender flares to combat some of the paint chips and stuff. And then for the front, I'm going to do a leveling kit, probably like a 3-inch or a 3.5 inch, to make it look better and get a little bit more clearance. And then probably do front and rear solid replacement bumpers. And last but not least, probably a full lighting kit around the entire roof rack. Maybe a couple cubes, or maybe a 30-inch on each side, a 30-inch in the back, 30-inch in the front. I just want a lot of light. You know, you never know. I mean, it's nice to be able to have that light when you want it. So it's gonna be a pretty fun build. I don't have a whole lot of money to throw at it right now, so it'll probably be a while until I get it completed. But I can't do that trip in a while anyway, just because I have to be full-time YouTube to be able to travel the country, because that's gonna take me months, probably. But it'll be fun whenever I get it done, so y'all stay tuned, like and subscribe.